First up, news coming in from Uttarakhand, where the state Congress government is under threat. Rebel Congress MLAs have now leveled serious allegations of bribery against Chief Minister Harish Rawat. The rebels played out visuals of a reported sting operation carried out on the Chief Minister, where he's allegedly heard trying to indulge in horse trading. The rebel MLAs who deserted the Congress, plunging the Harish Rawat government into a crisis, say they were offered as much as 5 crores to support the Rawat government. Rebel MLAs claim the threat to their lives and has asked for security for themselves. The explosive charges come ahead of the all-important trust vote which the Chief Minister faces on Monday. The Uttarakhand High Court had yesterday dismissed a petition by the rebel MLAs against a show-cause notice issued to them by the Speaker.
हमने महामहिम राज्यपाल जी से ये निवेदन किया है कि तत्काल ऐसी भ्रष्ट सरकार को, जो माफियाओं की सरकार है, इसको तत्काल बर्खास्त किया जाए। हमने एक पत्र महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को भी लिखा है कि वह तत्काल हस्तक्षेप करें। संवैधानिक संकट हो गया है, सरकार खरीद फरोख्त विधायकों की कर रही है।
Let's get more from India Today's Anindya Banerjee, who's with us live this afternoon. Anindya, Congress rebels now alleging that they were bribed or were offered a bribe of as much as 5 crore rupees to stay on and vote for the Congress party.
Very true, Simi, and as the sting operation is being shown by the rebel groups here in Constitution Club just a while back from now, where it's claimed that horse trading was being indulged into by none else than the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Here's not what two things. One is that each rebel Congress is being barred, price tag is put on them, and two, the Deputy Chief Minister's post is also being offered by the person who has been doing. It's a news channel that has colluded along with the rebel Congress MLAs who did the sting operation. The alleged sting operation. Now, if that is true and it is found to be true, it is a huge twist to the ongoing political crisis that has been going on in the state of Uttarakhand. Remember, yesterday only the rebel Congress MLAs moved the Nainital High Court, the Uttarakhand High Court in Nainital, seeking their intervention. They didn't intervene at that point of time. Now, if they move to Supreme Court, then this will be the ground of the rebel Congress MLAs that horse trading is being indulged into, and that's why there needs to be a stay order that needs to be put by the Supreme Court.
Right.
Also, it will put a question mark over the government, because they have been from the very beginning, Simi, demanding that this government has lost all its authority to function and govern. Now they'll have all the more reason to shout and demand that immediate resignation of the Chief Minister. Simi?
Anindya, stay on with us. We're also getting in a reaction from one of the rebel Congress MLAs. Let's play it out.
It is highly unfortunate that the head of an elected government, democratically elected government, is openly doing horse trading in front of the camera. I tell you, this government has no right to continue, and this should be dismissed at the earliest.
Anindya Banerjee is with us live. What's happened now is that the 9 rebel Congress leaders who moved the Uttarakhand High Court, the Nainital bench, remember, had dismissed their petition, saying that which had basically they had put in before the High Court to question their disqualification. The Congress party had claimed that they shouldn't be allowed to participate in that vote, and now these rebel MLAs have released a sting operation where the Chief Minister is allegedly seen offering a bribe to them to vote for the Congress party. And thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for development.